My video tutorial will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware. This ransomware is called Seiv, S-E-I-V. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware on my test computer. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Seiv ransomware may be pretty easily injected. The ransomware drops its ransom note on the desktop background. It is called Seiv because Seiv is the extension that gets additionally appended to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, believe me, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the computer. By the way, Combo Cleaner Antivirus is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the system. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your files always protected in the future.